Hi students, welcome to UNS classes. I am back with another previous year NEET question. Today the question is, which of the following algae produce carrageen? See, which of the following algae produce carrageen? So let's know what carrageen is, right? Very interesting name, right? So let's know what is carrageen, then we will come to the answer. So carrageen is nothing but a sulfated polysaccharide. It is a sulfated polysaccharide that is primarily derived from red algae. See, they are primarily derived from red algae, or we can say that since it is derived from red seaweeds, we also call it as Irish moss. It is also known as Irish moss. Please note the name, because there are chances that in next question, instead of carrageen, they may ask the Irish moss are derived from, something like that. So they are also known as Irish moss. So why do we use this, or what's the main function of extracting this carrageen? So they are mostly used as additives in packaged foods. So it is mostly used as thickening agents or emulsifying agent, and even to preserve the food. So the packaged food that we buy, such as yogurts, meat products, nut milk, etc., they are used as emulsifying agent or a preservative or a thickening agent. So carrageen is nothing but a additive which is used as thickening agent or emulsifier or preservative in packaged foods, and they are derived from red seaweeds or red algae, and they are also known as Irish moss. So if we go back to the question, here the question is very simple. Which of the following algae produce carrageen? The options are blue-green algae, green algae, brown algae and red algae. By this time you itself know the answer, right? I don't have to mention. Still, the option is red algae. Okay, so hope you got the answer. It was very simple, right? So happy learning. See you in the next question.